Hi, today we discuss about abstract variable in Flutterflow. So basically, abstract variable it will use to access and modify data in entire application of Flutterflow. So we go in a Flutterflow editor and right at side app value. Now app value, two types of variable we can manage here: abstract and constant. Constant means we can define variable here var1 and its value at that moment. Suppose var1 value is test, and abstract variable it will use to define, means create one variable and username, and we can also add here its data type. So currently I want to add string data type, just I created, and now one abstract variable we are added, and so now next I want to use it in our application. So I add one text field and centralize, and I increase its font size 26, and I want to bind that abstract variable to this text. For that I click on text and here abstract. So abstract is shown here. I click, and now two abstract variable we added. So one flag and second is username. So I want to bind this username to this text widget now, and also I want to add one button. I want to wrap in column and set padding 50. I want to first I change, click and add one action. I want to change abstract variable value when I click this button. For that here action update state, and fill, two fields are seen here, and now username I want to add test1. Now I close it and run this application. Now project is running. Now I click this button, then text value is changed. So what we do, first create a one abstract variable username, and that abstract variable bind with text widget. Now currently text widget no any text value. So when I click this button, then that abstract variable value I set here test1. So when abstract variable username value is test1, then it will show in a text widget. So this way we can bind and modify abstract variable Flutterflow.